If your hex keys are a loose drawer mess, here's the best hex wrench setup. For main picks. Quick answer. Amazon Basics is the boring set that stores well. Bondhus 20399 suits regular use. GorillaGrip travels best, and Milwaukee makes key access easier. No set wins everywhere. Choose for reach, storage, durability, and how often you'll use it. For most homes, get the Amazon Basics Hex Key Allen wrench set with ball end. It's for furniture builds, household mounting jobs, and the occasional repair where you want a complete set that packs away neatly. The long ball end keys help with reach and positioning, while the folding case keeps the set together without spending much. The compromise is durability under heavy force. Chrome vanadium is fine for normal home tasks, but constant high-torque work calls for an upgrade. Skip it if you use hex keys constantly or need metric and SAE separated at a glance. Keep the smallest keys in the case, since they aren't individually marked. If hex keys see regular DIY or workshop duty, move up to the Bondhus 20399 ball and L wrench double pack. This is the sturdier loose key route, with a lifetime warranty and color separation for metric versus SAE. That sorting matters when you're grabbing tools repeatedly instead of digging through a mixed set. It costs more than Amazon Basics, though, without much extra payoff for light assembly jobs. Its holders also don't lie flat, so the tiniest keys aren't the quickest to grab. Skip it if this mostly lives in a drawer or fast access to small keys is your top concern. For a tool pouch, car kit, or pocket, the Bondhus 12522 GorillaGrip is the sensible carry-around choice. Its keys fold into one compact handle, so individual pieces don't wander off, and the handles are comfortable to use. You also get a lifetime warranty without turning your portable kit into a pile of loose tools. The limitation is positioning. Attached keys can't work around recessed or awkward fasteners as freely as long-arm L keys. The pivot can loosen and need retightening, and the keys don't lock at your chosen angle. Skip it if reach matters more than portability. When pulling out the right key is the annoying part. Choose the Milwaukee 48-22-218317K EY Folding Hex Key Sets. Side access cutouts make each key easier to pull, especially with gloves or larger hands. It's the folding choice for people who value straightforward deployment over the leanest tool in the drawer. But that convenience adds bulk, weight, and cost beside the GorillaGrip. The keys also don't swing out as smoothly as the less expensive folding option. Skip it if pocket space, smooth action, or value matters more than easy access. Quick split. Everyday home jobs go Amazon Basics. Frequent DIY and clear metric versus SAE sorting go Bondhus 20399. Pocket or car storage goes GorillaGrip. Easier pull-out access goes Milwaukee. Before buying, decide whether you need long loose keys or a folding set. Check where it will live, keep small keys in their holder, and choose metric versus SAE separation if you grab both often. If you're unsure, start with Amazon Basics for a complete home set that stores neatly. Go Bondhus 20399 if regular use and metric versus SAE sorting matter more. Choose GorillaGrip for carry-around convenience, or Milwaukee when easy key access wins. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.